Checkpoint 6.13 shows the result of the following program. Okay, this is the first one, A. Okay, main methods, and then we have a max equal to 0. Okay, this is the main idea. We are passing parameter by value. So we have the first argument, number 1, pass as integer, value 1. Second argument, integer, value 2. Max, which is 0, passes integer, max. Okay, there is no return type. So first one, we are looking at 1 greater than 2, which is not true, so we are here as. And then number 2 we assign to max. Okay, there's no return. So if you look at it here, system println max, this is just going to print a 0. Okay. Okay, here's the 0. Well, if you want to fix the problem, you like to have a return value, so you can see what is the max value or highest value. You may consider using this as return type. Now we are dealing with all integer values, so if we say int, okay, then you can return max. Also we can return max. Then you may like to have, okay, print a max. So this is going to return the integer value. So let's say max equal to max. So it's going to return biggest value, which is number 2. Okay, that will be number 2, and it will be printed as number 2. Okay, here is the number 2. Okay, this is not the original question. Okay, so if we go back, okay, original question was whether you know how to pass these parameters by value that match with this formal parameter. That was the original question. That's all. Thank you.